Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahazan presenting my video on Fourier series, half range Fourier cosine series. Let us try to solve the problem. Find half range cosine series of function f of x is equal to 2 minus x for the range 0 less than x less than 2. Therefore, comparing this interval with the interval 0 to L, we get the value of L as 2 here. And for better understanding of the calculation or the concept of half range cosine series, please watch the video up to end. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Therefore, here that half range cosine series is given by f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of an cos n pi x by L. We call this equation 1, where the value of a0 is obtained by formula is 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x dx. By applying this formula, we can easily obtain the value of a0, first Fourier coefficient, and therefore it is equals to 2 by L, L is 2, integration from 0 to 2, fx is 2 minus x, and then its integration with respect to x. 2 to get cancelled, we get integrating each term with respect to x, we get that term as 2x and minus integration of x is x square by 2, limit from 0 to 2. Substituting upper and lower limit, we get 2 into upper limit is 2, lower limit is 0, minus 1 by 2. Upper limit is 2 square is 4, lower limit is 0. And simplifying it, we get 2 to the 4, minus 4 by 2, 2, and therefore the value of a0 is 2. The first coefficient a0. Then in the next step, we try to find the value of an. An is obtained by formula 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x multiplied by cos of n pi x divided by L, and then its integration with respect to x. Substituting values, we get 2 by 2 integration from 0 to 2, fx is 2 minus x multiplied by cos of n pi x divided by L, L is 2, and then its integration with respect to x. And as here it is a product of two terms of x, integrating it by generalized part, and therefore we get the first term is 2 minus x, second term is cos n pi x by 2. First one is algebraic, second one is trigonometric. Therefore, algebraic we consider as the first term and trigonometric term we consider as second term. As per that LIATE rule. LIATE. Therefore, first term is 2 minus x. Integration of cos. Integration of cos is sine n pi x by 2 divided by coefficient of x is here n pi by 2. Then minus derivative of x with respect to x is minus 1. Integration of sine is with minus sign, minus cos of n pi x by 2 and whole divided by square of this. Therefore, square is n square pi square 2 square, that is 4. Next derivative is 0. We stop here, and then limits from 0 to 2. Substituting the upper and lower limit, we get 2 minus 2 as 0 minus 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 3 times minus, it is 4 by n square pi square for upper limit. It becomes sin cos of n pi x is 2 divided by 2 to get cancel. It is cos of n pi, and minus a lower limit, it is cos 0 and therefore we get it is minus 4 by n square pi square multiplied by the value of cos n pi is standard result minus 1 raised to n, and minus cos 0 is 1. And as we are having the term minus 1 raised to n minus 1 or plus 1, here we are having minus 1 raised to n minus 1. We have to find out two separate values, what is for even and what is the value for odd. And therefore, when we substitute any even value for n, suppose n is equal to 2, minus 1 raised to 2, we get that value as plus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, multiplied by this term, we get final value as 0 if n is even. And if we substitute n as odd, suppose n as 1, minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, multiplied by minus 4, we get that term as 8 divided by n square pi square if n is odd. Okay, and therefore as it exists for odd values only, we have to replace n by its general term. General term is 2n minus 1. While substituting this value here in this equation number 1, we have calculated the value of a0 and an, and for cosine series, half range cosine series, the value of bn is 0. And therefore substituting all these values here in equation 1, we get that cosine series as substituting values on left hand side, f of x is 2 minus x, therefore Fourier series for that 2 minus x, a0 is 2 divided by 2, summation, the value of an is 8 divided by n square pi square for odd, and therefore it becomes 8 divided by n square, n replaced by 2n minus 1 whole square pi square into cos of n pi, n is replaced by again 2n minus 1 times pi x and divided by 2. N changes from 1 to infinity, and therefore we get 2 by 2 as 1. 8 by pi square is constant term or no term containing n, therefore we can take it outside the summation sign. 8 divided by pi square, and summation from n is equals to 1 to infinity, it is cos 2n minus 1 by 2 pi x and whole divided by 2n minus 1 whole square as the required half range cosine series. Scheme of marking. Generally the problem is asked for 5 marks. 1 mark for this formula, 1 mark to find value of a0, 2 marks to find value of an, and last 1 mark for this final answer. Therefore total 5 marks. Is it difficult? No, it is very, very simple. Only you have to remember the steps. Go step by step only. Then only you are able to solve it correctly. In my next video, I will discuss Fourier series for odd function, as well as Fourier series for even function. Therefore, please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe it. And to receive the notification for my such type of new videos, please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.